Okay, let's share it today. How to use the cloud function of ArkKVM to manage the machine. First, we access this ArkKVM through the LAN. You can see the status of this device, already connected successfully. USB is also connected. At this time we choose to open the settings, then select Access. There will be a remote function here. There will also be a private network here. We can introduce private network later. What about remote? You can choose here. Use the official ArkKVM Cloud, or customize an address, then here. Because I didn't set up my own server address, so I used the official address of ArkKVM. How can I find the official address? First, let's open the official website of ArkKVM. Then there's an ArkKVM Cloud here in the upper right corner. Then after clicking it, you can log in through Google. This way you can see the list of your devices. You can see that the equipment I have here is empty. Then let's go back to the interface of ArkKVM. Then this time, we can click Connect to Cloud. However, when connecting to the remote server of ArkKVM, need to check your network. Can access Google normally? What if your access to Google is not smooth? Can I use one? You can use the functionality of this HTTP proxy. Then I will choose here, fill in a local proxy. Here, this is also an address on my LAN. Click Save at this time. We can see that this already exists. Then on the access side, we are connect to the cloud. Okay. That way it will log me into ArkKVM. There will be a live here, function of name. Just give this a random name. Okay, we can see the browser address bar. This time it is already. What is the address of ArkKVM's cloud? Is it because of the network? It takes a while to load. This depends on your local network environment. Some people are fast, some people are slow, some people are slow. Okay, this time, after we click on ArkKVM again, backend device list page can be seen. I already have a new device here. Then and it is already online. There is a setting here. You can rename or remove this device. I won't do any operations here. Okay, if we get to this page, there will be a prompt. We can just choose to take over. Okay, this device is already connected. It still maintains the status of my current operation. Then this can be regarded as my operation. It's also relatively easy. In this way, you can use remote functionality to access ArkKVM devices. No need to be in the same LAN environment. Next issue, I will teach you how to use it. Functions of private network. Okay, today's video ends here. Thank you all for watching. If there is any problem, everyone can leave a message.